$0 Marketing Course Burning Problem 2 Part 3. Important note number 8, how to launch a website.
T-minus 5, 4, 3,
Launch your
2,
website while ensuring things as follows.
Booster ignition and liftoff of Discovery, hoisting harmony to the heavens, and opening new gateways for international science. Discovery has cleared the tower.
Houston now controlling.
Roll program.
Roger, roll, Discovery.
Inform the existing customers about the launch date. Send email, SMS and WhatsApp messages to customers. Tell the customers about the benefits of your website. Tell them how your website will help them get relevant information. Inform them how will the website save their time and money. Important note number 9, what is a minimalist website? It is a way of designing a website wherein customers' focus goes only on products. Customers don't need to read a lot of description. Customers directly reach the solution. Who should be hired for developing a good website? A. If you run a website that needs frequent changes, then you should hire a full-time website designer who should have the following skills. Four to 6 years experience of website designing and management. Knowledge of free CMS platforms like WordPress. B. If you run a website that does not require frequent changes, then you should hire an agency through the following steps. Check agency's portfolio of previous works/projects delivered. Conduce reference check of the agency from their previous customers. Negotiation with agency on costing of website designing and maintenance services. Website is not for your business, it is for your customers. Massive action plan. Go through the world's top websites. Figure out the features of top websites that you like. Discuss your requirements with web designer. Set a fixed date of website launch. Inform the customers about the benefits of website.